Legacy Assurance Plan is your dedicated partner in estate planning. Our team is committed to providing you with comprehensive support, from initial consultations to the finalization of your estate documents. We stay by your side throughout the entire process. We assist our members in a variety of ways, but here are some. Customized planning. Every individual situation is different. That's why we offer customized estate planning solutions that cater specifically to your life's nuances and priorities. Education and empowerment. We believe in empowering our clients with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. Through our resources, including detailed guides, blog posts, and our YouTube channel, we demystify estate planning topics and keep you informed on the latest developments. Ongoing support. Life changes, and so should your estate plan. We provide ongoing support and reviews to ensure your plan remains aligned with your current wishes and life situations. Accessible expertise. Our team of experienced professionals is just a phone call or email away, ready to answer your questions and provide the guidance you need. If you haven't had the chance to start on your estate plan, or if there have been significant changes in your life recently, now is the time to act. Have questions about your current plan or ready to start your estate planning journey? Then call Legacy today at 844-445-3422. Find the peace of mind that comes with knowing your family is protected.